Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is Nest TV, and today I'll be installing the official Windows 10 software on our new system over here. So basically you need your external hard drives, and also you need a piece of software known as Rufus. So with the Rufus you actually have to download the software utility. So let's head back to the PC and let me show you in a short time. So first of all, you need to make sure your PC is connected to the internet. So as you can see, my system is connected to the Wi-Fi. So we head on to Microsoft Edge, and then we will type Rufus. Then you hit on enter. So from here you have to download this software, which will help us create the bootable US drive for easy install. You just have to double click on the Rufus software, then you reply yes to the user account notification, and then the Rufus will prompt you to select several options from the drop down menu. From here you take your USB drive and insert it in the PC. After inserting, you can see it on the very top of the dialog box. That's our USB drive, and we will have to select the ISO image from here. So you click on it, then you come to where you save the Windows 10 ISO image. So on my PC it's stored on the Cactus drive, so I'll just select Windows 10 English International Version. Then I come down and select open. So automatically Rufus will start scanning for the ISO image. So from here you have to be very careful. So we will be opting for the standard Windows installation, and for our targeted system, which is right on my right hand side, it's a Lenovo 64-bit system, and also the partition scheme here is GPT because it's a new version of PC. So we will be selecting the GPT, which will be targeted for the UEFI systems, and from here we can leave everything as default. Then we'll click on start, and we will receive a quick alert prompting us that our external drive is about to be formatted. So we will click on OK. Then Rufus starts doing its thing, so we will leave it for a few minutes, then come back and check. Rufus is done, and as you can see the alert message, it is ready for installation. So you just click on close, then we can go ahead and eject our pen drive. Now this is our target system, and it's actually a Lenovo system. So we will be inserting this USB drive into our targeted system. Turn off the system. So as you can see, this is a Lenovo system, so meaning the BIOS boot menu can be triggered by pressing on the F12 key. So we will then go ahead and turn it back on. Then we will be actually pressing on the F12 key until we see the boot menu pop up on the screen. So as you can see, we are currently in the boot menu, so we will have to select the USB drive. So we can come down and then hit enter. It's 10 loader screen. So here you just select your preference. So we will leave everything as default, then we'll go ahead and click on next. Then we go for install now. Software licensing terms. So we select accept licensing terms, and we click on next. And from here you might have to be very careful, but in my case I like to set up my Windows with my own settings, so I'll go for the advanced. Then I can go ahead and delete all these partitions, because maybe the previous owner or the previous user of the system had some personal files which I don't like to have a look at it. So I'll go ahead and format all these drives. Click on apply, then OK. Windows will start copying all the necessary files. Okay, so Windows is getting ready to start and we'll have to wait. Okay, so from here Windows wants to connect to our internet, so I'll go ahead and select connect. Okay, so from here you click on next. So basically Windows is trying to get us updated and also download some essential drivers. So from here you have to personalize your new system according to your preference. So I'll be typing my name Douglas Peters. Then you hit on enter. Then if you want to create a password, okay guys, so Windows 10 has been successfully installed. So from here the next step is to get the Windows updated and also get your drivers. But personally I have my drivers on this USB drive. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. This was a quick tutorial video on how to install the Windows 10 operating system. I know some of you guys might be wondering what goes into Windows 11, but honestly it's just the same process I walked through with the Windows 10. Sign up below what you like to see in my next video, and as always don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. This has always been the Next Station. Until then, stay safe and stay positive. Bye bye.